Operations at Nissan's Rosslyn plant continue as normal as it waits for word on its future. The site could be one of 7 facing the chop as the Japanese automaker faces a financial crunch.
They are still obviously waiting for confirmation from their global principals, and they will obviously inform us once they are ready to be able to tell us what's happening. But obviously I think it is absolutely clear that Nissan globally will be rationalizing its operations, and whether South Africa is going to be impacted directly or not, I think that jury is still out.
Nissan has been part of South Africa's automotive landscape for over 60 years. First as an assembly plant in 1963, then going into full-scale production in 1973, and has since seen many iconic brands roll off the production line, the latest being the Navara.
That obviously will impact their decision, because they are now, instead of running 2 lines as they used to do traditionally, they're obviously only running 1 line. And Nissan Navara, as you know, is obviously having massive competition, because your 1-ton bakkies in the country are, sought after products. We've got Toyota, which has an Hilux. We've got D-Max in Isuzu. You've got both Ford Ranger and also Amarok, which are produced by Ford in Silverton.
Despite struggling to get back into gear after COVID-19, analysts say it has been a casualty of its own failures. Nissan took the lead in the electric vehicles with the Leaf, but has fallen behind its competitors.
Not all the legacy automakers are joining the EV revolution, if I can call it that. And if they don't keep up with the changes, then they will lose out. They are all losing sales at the moment, and the Chinese vehicle manufacturers that are really into this now are gaining ground. BYD is the biggest automotive manufacturer in the world now, and you would have never said that a few years back.
While a possible closure will temporarily set the industry back, it could pave the way for new investment.
We will continue to mobilize and talk to any brand, whether it's Chery or any other brand that is looking at producing in South Africa, not to look for greenfields, but certainly to prioritize the brownfields, which is existing plants that are in the country today, so that we can be able to maximize those.
The global automotive landscape is going through a rapid transformation as the green energy revolution takes shape. Nissan's woos is now set to serve as a signal to other car makers to up their game. Najma Abdirazak, CGTN.